It's official. You guys are my good luck charms. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. My name is Ashley Wheeler. I am a work from home mom and I own and manage multiple stores online where I sell clothing, shoes, a lot of other things, but mainly those two categories on both Poshmark and eBay. And today we're gonna do a really great video. I'm always excited. I mean, let's be real. I'm always excited about these videos, but this one I'm more particularly excited about because I got to join several of my amazing reseller friends. We are all in different parts of the United States, so we decided to do a $50 thrift haul challenge, see what we can go into the thrift stores and find, and then do a haul for all of you guys. What I really like about this is, one, the ability to see what is truly all over the United States as a resource that you can use to then sell online, and two, the different things we come up with. Like, I am not going to go into a store and pick up the same types of stuff that one of my other friends would pick up. And so I love to see the different uniqueness in each one of our businesses and then be able to assist you guys with figuring out different ideas of products that would be good to sell in your store. So we are going to swing it over to when I was at the thrift store, and then, oh my gosh, I have a story to share with you, and you're going to see. You'll see. Go check it out. Right, it is time to show you everything that I got. I'm actually really impressed with what we were able to get for $50. We found a lot of pieces that were at the 50% off, plus I had a 10% off coupon for our area when it comes to Goodwills. If you donate to them, they provide you with a donation receipt to file with your taxes, but they also give you a 10% off coupon on that. And so we always save those for these lovely trips. So let's get started. The first one is this Elijah J. This is a size 2. It is a beautiful dress, a really great piece for the springtime, sleeveless. Honestly, if I was getting it up a little earlier, it would have been a really great item to have for Easter. The next one is just very much in style. This is a We the Free, which is Free People. And this is a really nice tie-dyed shirt. It is sleeveless, it is oversized. At least I think it's oversized. This is a size, oh no, it's a size large. No, yeah, I think it is a little more oversized. I thought it was just really comfortable, loungewear style still, or something that someone can like tie up and have fun with and wear with shorts for the summer. Really great piece. Very, very soft too. Oh, this one was $2.99 with the 10% off. Oh, this one was really awesome. This is a nice navy. This is Madewell. Come on. This is a size 00. And it is a jumpsuit, you guys. I'm gonna hold it like this because it's kind of crisscross in the back. Look at this detail. Isn't that so cute? And then wide legs. Really nice, very comfortable. At least I would feel like it is. And it has like the cross straps in the back, and it even has adjustable, so you can make them shorter or longer. And this one actually had this, but not the actual tag on it. He put it up for $4.99 and I was like, sold. Next piece. So I'm gonna have to use, I don't remember what it's called. It's a tool that I use to help like stick things back together, fabrics back together, because the tag is kind of ripping, but this is a J. Crew. I really liked it because it's a tall, large, and it is a long sleeve dress. The purple is definitely amazing for this time of year. Say it's maybe spring, but it's a colder spring for you. This is a really great color to wear. And I would say it's knee length, I would say, yeah, because I'm a little taller, so knee length or a little longer. Really nice structure. Put it with a blazer like this or something that you can wear on its own with sandals. I think it'd be so gorgeous. This next piece, oh, this was pretty awesome. I never find this brand ever when I'm in town. I was so surprised. This is Mizuki, and it cracks me up because every time I find this brand, I'm like, does it say Ms. Look? Because I know that's not the high end. Like, I'm constantly second guessing myself when I see it. I'm like, okay, which one's the right one? This is more of like a sweater dress. It's got the fun detail at the bottom, but more of the structured black on the top. It is long sleeve. This is a size small, and I got this one. Okay, I paid up for this one. This one was $8, but I was like, that's definitely worth it. And with the J. Crew one, I paid, oh, it was half off. So it was actually $3. I was so stunned in this one, you guys, so stunned. I'm really grateful that I had a reason to do this haul because I would have never found these pieces. We still have like 700 pieces from when we went to Portland, but I'm very grateful I went. This is just a standard Nike extra large men's shirt, but I loved what it said on the front of it. It says, there is no finish line. I enjoyed that, and I think I told you the price. I don't remember now. $3.99, so 10% off of $3.99. The next piece I really enjoyed for men for more spring, summer-ish time. This is a Pendleton. This is a size large. It is a men's. And what I liked about this one was it had the snap buttons on it. I said that really weird. Buttons on it. And it has more of that like Western style with the triangle pockets. I don't know what that's called, if it is the Western typical, but I see this so common when we're like around roundup season or rodeos basically. And so I know that this is going to be something that would be fantastic for a guy to have. I mean, honestly, even wear this for Easter, depending on where you are in the United States. Which Easter is this weekend, so it's not gonna happen. But this was $6.99 with the 10% off. The next item, I know it's such a basic item, but I never find this brand, and I was like stunned. I actually went through the whole shirt section after this because I was like, there must be more. There must be more. This is Good American. It is a size 2, which I would be assuming like a size small. It does look a little bigger though, so it could be a medium. Has just a typical V-neck, and it is a white shirt, but I know that these basics are also things that people enjoy. So if I can find it in a really good brand, I'm willing to get it, especially when the price of this one was only $3. Next item is, I don't remember. I'm pulling it out and I'm like, I don't remember. Athleta? No, Eileen Fisher, which is one of my favorite brands to sell. I feel like anytime I get something of hers, I just sell it. And this is a really unique piece. Size small. I think that P means petite. This is a really pretty dress. It's falling. Sleeveless, lightweight, kind of hits you right at your knees. Very easy to layer with. I really also like this twist in the back at the top. I feel like it's super cute. And then this is $3. Next one is Sanctuary. This was one of the first pieces I found. This is just typical black pants. It is like either cropped or like at your ankles because it does have the rolled pant leg. Really great item, 50% off plus the 10% off coupon, which brought it under $2. This piece, I had to look it up. I've never found it before, but comps were amazing. It is 12th Street by Cynthia Vincent. So you guys are gonna have fun with me, seeing if this is actually gonna sell personally with the pattern. I feel like this is gonna be a really great piece. It's also lightweight, which gives me kind of that boat vibe if you wanted to like wear a swimsuit and then put this on over the top like a bathing suit cover up. This does have a really fun hoodie, which again is why it gave me kind of that boat vibe, you know, when it's like super windy and you just want to throw something on over it. But this pattern was so much fun and I actually really enjoyed how it had the little pockets here. It is kind of semi-sheer, which is another reason why I was thinking it'd be perfect for like a bathing suit cover up. I don't know, I'm definitely going to do more research on this one. It is a size to be determined because I cannot find it. This one was $6.99 with a 10% discount, but the comps definitely was worth me picking that one up. And then the last item, the honorable mention, because I am not adding it in this $50 thing. I just have to tell you guys this story because I was so incredibly excited. So I'm at the register. I've already calculated my $50. I go up to the cash register and I'm getting ready to check out. And I see this hanging up on the shelf. And I'm like, what? No. Is that real? That can't be. Now I like, didn't even think about filming. Didn't even like, I was like, poker face, keep yourself together. And I'm like squealing inside. So I run over, I grab it. I'm looking inside. I'm like, it looks like leather. It looks like it's stitched beautifully. I pull it up on Poshmark. I'm like, okay, they've got the little teal spot on the back. I'm like, I think these are legit. I think these are real. They didn't have a sticker on the bottom of them. And so I bring it up to the guy and I was like, hey, so I want this. Can you go get the second shoe? And they're like, yeah, sure. Let me go grab them. And by the way, these are a size 5. They're tiny, but I don't care. It was the principle. I found teaks. And so they go into the back. They're in the back for a minute. Like, and I say they because he pulls another employee over at one point. And I'm like, what is happening? And my husband was in line because he waited to get into go to the cash register. We had some more stuff we had bought in this trip, but I wanted to strictly have the $50. And I'm like, Jeff, I found an amazing piece. So he comes over and he's waiting for them to like come back. And the guy comes back and he goes, I'm sorry, but we can't find the other one. And so I'm like, okay, think, what do I want to do? And I was like, well, can I just buy this one and then I can proceed with getting the other one later when you guys find it? Because they're like, well, we can't hold it for you. I was like, that's fine, I'll pay for it. And then the manager supervisor from the front comes over and he's like, no, we actually can't do that because it's a liability thing if we can't find the other one. And at this point, I'm like, I just want this for a trophy at this point. Like, if you can't find the other one, it doesn't matter. I found teaks and I want it. And so then he was like, well, let me go grab it. He comes back out and he says, I'm sorry, but the manager, the working manager at the moment said that we can't even sell the one to you because it had no sticker on the bottom of them. So it has no barcode. So we can't sell it. And at this point, I'm like, that's fishy because I had items in here that actually didn't have a tag. You could see the little like thing that was put into it, but there was no tag with a barcode, but you can input that. I'm like, so why aren't you letting me buy the one? Like, you don't understand how much I want these. And he was like, that could have very well been someone else's shoe and they put it up there. And I looked at my husband, I'm like, they don't know. They don't know the value of this. Someone would not just put a teak's shoe up on that rack for no reason. Like, that's expensive. No way. I was like, keep yourself together. But I'm like, I'm so frustrated. And finally, we're like getting close to the end of the checkout. And I look at him and I was like, can I see your manager? I don't know what came over me, you guys. That is not my MO. I am not a person to be like, let me see your manager. So the manager comes over and I was like, I just want to understand this shoe situation. He said that you can't sell it to me because there's no barcode on it. I understand that it's a liability if you can't find the other shoe. But is there any way you can call me if you find the other shoe? And he was like, you know, we might find it. It might go back on the floor tomorrow. I was like, honestly, I'm helping an office in town and I'm working. I won't be able to come until lunch. So my husband is still checking out at this point so we can complete our transaction. And the person comes out and goes, hey, I found the other shoe. And I'm like, it has the box? And then that's where the tag comes in. So that's why I'm not mentioning, or I'm not adding this one to the $50 because these were $20 minus the 10% minus the 10% coupon, so $18. But it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. This was how I was freaking out in the store, or at least when I got out of the store. It literally had like this still in the other shoe. I don't know how these actually fit in a box because I'm like, these things can really like pack well. So I am thrilled, even more so because the box, even in and of itself, is something that calls for a price point on Poshmark. I was taking a look, and depending on like what accessories you had with the teaks, called for even more money. So I'm excited. I have never found these before. I can't believe it. I am so grateful I did this challenge because I would have never gone into this store this day. And it made me even more smile because my husband was like, yeah, and you didn't want to go today. I was like, I know, but I'm so glad we did. Oh my gosh, can you believe that, guys? It blew me away when that happened. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Now go and watch everyone else's videos. Tell them Ashley sent you, and feel free to let me know what was your favorite piece that I found in this trip, as well as let everyone else know the different pieces that you enjoyed in their videos. And as always, I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.